Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your credit card to your Rocket Money account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in rocketmoney.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Rocket Money website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal where you can proceed forward by entering your email address and your password. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard, from which, if you haven't already linked your credit card and you wish to link this, you will see the account section at the right side where you will see the credit card option as well. Click on the add button and you will be asked to select your account. After choosing your bank and clicking on the continue button, you will need to verify your identity by solving a CAPTCHA. Now click on the continue to login option and you will be taken into your bank's login portal. Now just type in your username within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. After entering both of these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be signed into your bank account right away. After signing in, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to link your credit card. Just proceed forward with providing your confirmation and now your credit card will be linked to your Rocket Money account right away and you can now immediately start using your card within the app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your credit card on Rocket Money. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.